In this video, I'm going to show you the difference in sound between the 4th generation Amazon Echo and Amazon Echo Dot, so you can decide which device is best for you. Whilst the sound in a bigger Echo is better, you may find if you have a smaller room, the sound of the Echo Dot is actually just fine for you. I'm going to play samples of music from the following genres on both devices: pop, dance, electro, house, string quartet, classical piano, jazz, funk, R&B, hip hop and rock. I've left timestamps in the description below if you want to jump to a particular type of music. All the music on this video can be found on Epidemic Sounds. Before I start, I must say I find both these Echoes better than their predecessors. This is in part due to the fact both speakers are now more directional, so the music faces towards you, rather than being 360 audio where the sound goes all around. With this in mind, you need to make sure you put the Echo so it's facing where you're going to be listening to it when you set it up in your home. All the audio was recorded on a Zoom H1N microphone with a gain set to 7. Both Echoes were set with a volume of 5. None of the sound played during the demos has been edited. Of course, this demo won't show you how the speakers truly sound, but it should give you a good idea.
I'm taking time, but my goals are easily. You always know which button to should push, baby. I'm taking time, but my goals are easily. But you're still here with me. Time, but my goals are easily. You always know which button to should push, baby. I'm taking time, but my goals are easily. away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover.
Hopefully you now have a good idea on how great these speakers sound. I'd love to know if you've got no echoes in the comments below. You should also let me know if you want me to compare these speakers to any other speakers. Please smash the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more, as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.